Wow, we got a lot of snow. Look at it all.
Oh, hey George. Oh, I don't know what happened. I remember last night I came out to let the dog out. I must have slipped on some ice. And then all of a sudden, the blizzard must have came through and took me out. Whew, good thing you're in Florida sipping your girly drinks. Well, I'm going to do a little shoveling. You know how we do it in Connecticut. Hope you're staying warm. Oh my God, George. Stay in Florida, buddy. It's been about 2 hours. Still shoveling. And, oh, I don't know. Can't take this winter anymore. What the heck is this?
Let me out here! I must have been, I don't know, picking up the sticks when this blizzard came and knocked me out.
There's Connor.
I've been out here for days.
I was wondering where he was. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Well, George, I'll see you soon. Don't come here in January or February.
Joe's clearing the snow off the roof.
The things I do for you.
For me, I only asked you to clear in your bedroom. Wave hi.